Science and technology have shaped human civilization from the earliest tools to today's digital age. In Chapter 1, historical antecedents in the course of science and technology, since ancient times, humans have used creativity to improve life. The Sumerians made the wheel, the Egyptians built pyramids, and the Greeks and Romans advanced science and engineering. The Chinese invented gunpowder and the compass, shaping global progress. Even the Philippines contributed globally with innovations like the Veduke, the salt lamp, and the amphibious tricycle. In Chapter 2, the intellectual revolutions, the intellectual revolution marked a period when people began questioning traditional beliefs and relying on science and reason. Um, Nicholas Copernicus introduced heliocentrism, showing that the sun, not the earth, is the center of the solar system. Charles Darwin proposed evolution by natural selection, explaining how species adapt and survive. Sigmund Freud transformed psychology through psychoanalysis, exploring the conscious and the unconscious mind of humans. In Chapter 3, Science, Technology, and Nation Building. In the Philippines, science and technology have long supported progress and independence. Before colonization, Filipinos practiced sustainable farming, herbal medicine, and sea navigation, guided by the stars. During Spanish era, formal education and infrastructure expanded, with institutions like the University of Santo Tomas leading in medicine and science. The American period brought modernization, electricity, transportation, and public health programs, along with the establishment of Bureau of Science and the University of the Philippines. After independence, the government formed the Department of Science and Technology to drive innovation, education, and research. Science in the Philippines continues to empower communities and shape sustainable future. In Chapter 4, the human person flourishing in science and technology. Science isn't just about invention. It's about improving human life. Flourishing means using technology responsibly to promote well-being, sustainability, and ethical progress. It reminds us that true advancement values human dignity, harmony with nature, and shared prosperity. In Chapter 5, Human Flourishing as Reflected in Progress and Development. True progress isn't about wealth or consumption. It's about human flourishing and living sustainably. Jason Hickel challenges endless growth, urging rich nations to reduce overconsumption for equality and the planet's sake. Countries like Costa Rica show that real progress means balance, community, and well-being, not excess. In Chapter 6, the God life. For Aristotle, the good life means true happiness or eudaimonia, achieved through virtue and right action, not wealth or pleasure. Living well means using reason, practicing discipline, and striving to be our best selves. As shown in that sugar film balance and self-control are key to real and well-being. A virtuous life is a happy life. From ancient civilizations to modern digital age, science and technology have always been part of our story. They reflect our endless curiosity, creativity, and the desire to improve life, shaping not only our world, but also our future